Hi friends, today video about Doogee V30 5G.
Living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away.
The Doogee V30 5G is the latest. This phone boasts a 108MP camera, an eSIM slot, and dual speakers that are strategically placed. Due to the inclusion of two front-facing high-res certified speakers on either side of the phone, the V30 really functions as an entertainment device. With this setup, users may experience complete immersion when streaming or gaming. 3 cameras are on the back of the Doogee V30, and there is also a selfie camera. A 108MP camera with a main sensor on the rear produces beautiful images with lots of detail. High-quality images are what you can anticipate from sophisticated AI post-processing. A 20MP night camera is located next to the primary camera and is ideal for taking pictures in dim light. An ultra-wide 16MP camera rounds out the package on the rear. The selfie camera has a 32MP IMX616 sensor that can take photos that are immediately Instagram ready. The V30's cameras are able to record 4K footage at 30 frames per second. They can also record movies at various frame rates at the resolutions of 1080p, 720p, and 480p. The night vision camera can also record 4K at 30 frames per second monochrome films. The 6.58-inch, 120Hz display has a resolution of 2408 by 1080 pixels. This results in a 19:9 aspect ratio and 401 ppi of pixels per inch. Additionally, it can display up to 16.7 million colors and has a brightness of 480 nits. A Corning Gorilla Glass 5-layer guards the display against scuffs. The V30 will have a default memory configuration of 8GB RAM, which can be increased to 15GB using virtual RAM. You have the flexibility to change the performance of the phone based on needs thanks to the expandable RAM. The V30's 256GB of built-in storage should be more than adequate, but if you need more, you can expand it with a microSD card up to 1TB. The quick and nimble MediaTek Dimensity 900 was chosen by Doogee for the V30 to manage operations. It is an octa-core 6nm processor that can successfully perform the most demanding processes and has a maximum clock speed of 2.4 GHz. The V30 is a high-grade performance engine with a superior Mali G68 graphic card. With a 10,800 mAh battery that can support up to 4 days of usual use, if you're unsure of how to charge this enormous battery, it may be good to know that it will come with a 66W fast charger that can charge the entire battery from 0% to 55% in less than 30 minutes. Eco-friendly leather covers the back, and the side panels are made to feel like wood. Due to its IP68 and IP69K ratings, the V30 can withstand light rain and up to 30 minutes of submersion in water up to 1.5 meters deep. Additionally, MIL STD 810H, a military standard, was passed. Android 12 will be installed by default on the smartphone. Other outstanding features include NFC, personalized buttons, power buttons with fingerprint readers, and a GPS with 4 satellites. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take